Hare Krishna, this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. Today we are going to discuss about your thoughts, your feelings when you are doing a particular mantra. Many of my followers and my students, when we started the journey of reciting various mantras and stotrams, uh, over the period of time, they realized that while doing the mantra, uh, either the mantra was being chanted so slow or at times so fast. At times you had bad thoughts during chanting the mantra. At times you were having thoughts of jealousy and thinking about, people who've done bad with you. And then suddenly you realize, no, 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 I'm doing my japa, I'm doing my mantra. Where was I going? On the same time, I've seen irregularities in doing your mantras and stotrams or prayers that have been given to you by gurus and teachers, right? So also at times you keep thinking about attaining luxurious life, getting promotions. Your subconscious mind gives you those thoughts when you're doing the mantra. Are these things normal? Yes, these things are normal, but they are also doshas. Now, what kind of doshas they are and what planet, the energy of that planet is causing it. For an example, when you're doing your mantra or your japa, you take more than usual time, right? And you feel that, the mantra, suddenly you started Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, and slowly over the period of 10 minutes or 12 minutes, you realize that it's gone so slow. Om Nama Shivaya. You don't even realize that it's gone very slow. The pace has gone very, very slow. So, what to do? It is Shani dosha. It is Saturn which is affecting your meditation and mantra japas. So, you need to do certain remedies for Saturn or enhance certain mantras that can pacify Saturn. For an example, doing Gayatri mantra, enhancing your Surya will definitely solve this problem if you're going very slow in your mantra japa. On the same time, if you are running too fast, very, very fast, like Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, it's like you're doing crazy fast with your mantras. It's a Ketu problem. So for Saturn, you do Gayatri mantra, you start, giving jala to the Surya, right? And also on Saturdays, help underprivileged people. You do it for 3, 4 weeks, you'll realize that your mantra is now at a very right pace. It is no more slow. You don't take long time. At times you realize even Hanuman Chalisa, if you're reciting for 11 times in the evening, you will find yourself taking more than usual time. It's a Shani dosha. Shani is affecting, because of your prarabdha, Shani is affecting your prayers. On the same time, but if it is too fast, it is coming from Ketu. Ketu will make you recite mantras very, very fast. I've seen people reciting, I mean, they're actually overlapping words at times when they are reciting mantras very, very fast, which is not good, not good at all. It's a Ketu dosha. Ketu doesn't want because of your prarabdha, because of some bad energy from the past, right? Ketu is not allowing you to do it at a right pace and get those right results. Feed dogs and do lot of Ganpati mantra. See, whenever you have this dosha of Ketu, only one rescue is doing lot of Ganpati sadhana. You can lit a small lamp in front of Ganpati, right? And chant more Ganesha mantras, right? Even if it is happening fast, start chanting Ganesha mantras. You will realize that within 2 to 3 weeks, your pace of chanting mantras have gone very, very balanced. On the same time, if you're getting aggressive thoughts, for an example, somebody's done really bad with you, maybe your friend or some family member or maybe your boss or business partner, and while doing mantra, you're getting those thoughts of damaging that person or really feeling agony inside that this person did wrong, and then suddenly you realize that you're doing your mantra, it is coming from Mangala. Some problem with Mangal, right? So the best remedy is to pray to Kartikeya, Murugan, or you can always do nursing mantras or nursing aarti, right? So that's very important, right? So if you do nursing aarti or nursing a mantra or nursing stotra, you will realize, and you do it for 21 days only, and you will realize that all your bad thoughts of, you know, of for the people who've done wrong with you, you know, whenever someone does very wrong with you, actually, he's taken your karma. You should not feel bad about you. Someone try to criticize you, someone, you know, say bad words about you. Even on my YouTube, when I say some haters or hate speech, right? I thank my Krishna that my karma is taken away, right? And I'm now free from bad karma, because whatever negative energy is there, that is taken by that person. So आपको निंदा नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should not say all these things, and that's how you get a lot of mental peace. So Mars is Narsinga. When you feel angry while you're doing your mantras or stotrams, it's Mangal dosha, right? Similarly, if you get bad thoughts at times, the thoughts go so bad that there are vulgar thoughts in the mind, or at times you see nudity, or something which is not good, and you feel embarrassed while doing some mantras. People have complained at me, Guruji, when we're doing mantras, my mind go towards pornography, or goes towards very bad thoughts about physical, about sexual thoughts keep coming in my mind. It is Rahu dosha, right? ये राहु की वजह से होता है. So one thing that you have to see is that if you have, any unwanted electronic gadgets that are not working, throw them out of your home. Don't keep them, right? Don't take them as your legacy or remembrance. It's not a good idea. Also, for Rahu, the best thing that you can do is doing Durga Devi mantras, right? Om Dum Durgaye Namaha, or you can do Durga Chalisa. Just do it for 21 days, right? While doing your sadhana, or you can do Om Aim Klim Kling Chamundaye Vichay. So do this 2 3 malas, of these mantras. Enhance Durga Devi sadhana. Lit a lamp in front of Durga Devi in the morning, right? Or you can go to Shiva temple and lit a lamp in front of Ma Parvati, right? Your bad thoughts will be gone. You will not, while praying, right? You will not have any bad thought, right? For sure. So this comes from Rahu dosha, right? Similarly, if you are very slow in like, not slow, you're not consistent, right? I mean, today you did 50 mantras, tomorrow you did only 10, and then probably didn't do it for 4 months or 3 months, and then came back again, started again. Again, you did it for 2 weeks, and then 1 week is a gap in between. It is a dosha coming from Buddha, Mercury. It's like a child. You tell a child to do something, he'll do it for some time, run away, and to go and catch that baby, come back, sit with me. Again, you make him work. The child again runs away. That is coming from Buddha. वो मरकुरी का दोष होता है. For that, the best remedy is doing Vishnu mantras and doing Vishnu Sahasranama. Add Vishnu Sahasranama in your daily routine, or you can simply chant Om Vishnave Nama. Right? By doing this extra 2 3 malas of Om Vishnave Nama, you will realize that you become more consistent in your prayers, that there's no gap. At times, I've seen people, there's one small fight that will happen between family members or husband or wife, or maybe with the boss, or a small accident that happens, or a small loss that happens, or a big loss that happened because of your prarabdha. People quit doing mantras, they quit their prayers and their daily routine, and then they get more pain, they come back with the same routine that they were doing. But that gap comes from Mercury, Buddha dosha, right? So Mercury bow downs his head in front of Vishnu. So doing Vishnu Sahasranama, Om Vishnave Nama is the super mantra, three malas of Om Vishnave Nama every day will keep you consistent in doing your mantras. On the same time, right, last but not the least, right, if you are obsessive about, you know, luxury, for an example, you should have using the best of the dhupas and, you know, uh, you know, or you get so obsessive about the place where you should chant. At times, people ask me, Guruji, I have my 10 malas left. Can I chant in the car? Or can I do it on a railway station or at the airport? Or some people are so possessive that no, I have to sit in the temple, I have to do it in this time. It's coming from Shukra because you are so much overwhelmed with your circumstances of prayers. No, prayers can be done anywhere, right? Srila Prabhupada and in the ISKCON and the Krishna consciousness, in many lectures, they've said that even if you are bathing or even if you are sitting, in the washroom, you can still chant because you never know when the heart will stop and your soul will leave this body. All you want is when you take your last breath, either you should have Shiva, Krishna, or Ram, or Durga on your tongue so that you can straight away bypass all the Yamadutas and go to, Vishnu Loka or Shiva Loka. Your last word, should be either Ram or Krishna or Shiva or Vaheguru or Jesus or Allah, anything. But that can, and your life can go away while sitting in the washroom also. So 24 by 7, 365 days, anywhere you can do it. So for Shukra, donate milk, rice, and sugar on Fridays, right? Give it to poor girls if you can. You will realize that you will not remain very conscious or overwhelmed about where to pray and what to do and can I do it in a car? Can I do it walking? Can I do a japa walk or no? You'll be fine. You'll be fearless. You'll be saying, okay, I can do my prayers anywhere at any point of time. But yes, you should take bath. At times, there's an opposite effect. People live, very, very unhygienic. They live in Malin Avastha. Malin Avastha means they don't take bath. Yesterday, I was talking to someone where that person has not taken bath from 1 week, severe depression. But taking bath, wearing good clothes, clean clothes before you start your prayers is very good. If you're not doing it, right, and that is one condition where again Venus is bad because Venus is all about hygiene standards. Venus is all about how you do how your body smell, how's your body odor, right? That's all about Shukra. So that is again Shukra is bad. So use perfumes, take bath daily, wear clean clothes. That will also enhance your Shukra and that will give you confidence of praying anywhere. So again, if you're very obsessive about going to Tirath Sthanas, going to some places every week, every month, and then you will go there and do the prayers. It's a Guru dosha, Jupiter dosha. You see, Guru dosha only happens when you your focus is more on offerings than doing the japa, right? So you think that, okay, I'll go to, many of my clients, they say, we can't do so much of chanting. Tell us some remedy we can offer it to God. Of course, offering it to God is very, very good. But if you compensated it with your japa, your meditation, with your chants, no. Kali Yuga Kevala Namadhara, Simar Simar Narutare Para. So in Kali Yuga, the most important thing is your japa, right? You can offer a very small thing. You may not visit any temple for maybe 2 months or 3 months, right? You're at home, from office to home, home to office. But during those, transits of home to office, of office to home, or at home, if you keep chanting any one mantra, be it a simple name Ram. If you keep chanting, there'll be no Guru doshas. But if you're so possessive about visiting this place, that place, and doing various anushtanas, but there is no internal chant which is coming. You're not 24 by 7 synchronized with that God. You go to a Jyotirlinga, you go to a temple, you come back. On the way back at the airport, you're having your alcohol, or you are coming back to your place, and next day you have a party. I mean, you think that you've gone to a pub, to a very, very spiritual tirtha, and a lot of your karmas are settled. Of course they are, but what are you doing when you come back? To remain in that consciousness 24 by 7, you need to chant Guru doshas. That for Guru doshas, the best remedy that you can do is again doing, Shiva mantras, and especially Dakshina Murti Shiva. There's a Dakshina Murti Shiva Stotram. If you do it for 21 days regularly, you will become so mentally strong that you can pray anywhere, anytime, right? And you will remain conscious. So this is what I wanted to, tell you in this small video. I hope this has helped you. And if you have any problems while chanting, put it in the comment. I'll try to reply you there. Till then, Hare Krishna. Thank you.